Then there's full force nature. Full Force Nature Week starts Monday on the Weather Channel.
Coast Guard Alaska premieres Wednesday, November 9th at 9 on the Weather Channel. And now you're local on the 8s.
Currently in our area, 47 degrees under fair skies. Tonight, cloudy skies, low 41, winds northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Saturday, rain and wind, high 45, chance of rain 90%. Rainfall may reach 1 inch. Saturday night, windy with a mix of rain and snow, low 32. Chance of precipitation 90%. Snow accumulating 1 to 2 inches. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Right now on Day Planner, Old Man Winter taking the Northeast by storm this weekend. We'll tell you how much snow to expect. Plus, details on a big temperature plunge. And 20 years later, we take a look back at the perfect storm and why it made the record books. Day Planner starts right now.
We are continuing to follow moisture moving eastward. Already snowfall in the Appalachians here, and we're expecting to see more snow into the Northeast as we head through tomorrow and into tomorrow night. We're seeing that rain all the way far southward into Georgia. Just light kind of stuff, but becomes a bit more prolonged and widespread here into eastern Tennessee, eastern Kentucky. Not as heavy as being depicted on the radar here in West Virginia around Charleston. The clue is, you see, this isn't moving. That what looks like heavy amounts of rain. Now, what that is that snow that's melting on the way down, and that melting causes what we call bright banding on the radar. So you know it's cold up high. Cold enough for snow here in the higher elevations of West Virginia and western Virginia. And it looks like more clouds and rain moving toward Washington, D.C. and Baltimore. A little bit of snow expected to mix in there as well as we head into tomorrow. So as this area of low pressure tracks northward near the coastline here tomorrow morning, we're going to see more colder air infiltrating. So temperatures will fall. Snow will fall here in the higher elevations of Pennsylvania on up into New York State and even eventually into Philadelphia. We're going to get some accumulation as that rain turns over to snow. New York City expecting to see some of that as well. And this low is going to deepen dramatically, enough that we're going to see 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts in some areas here, particularly near the coastline, and that could mean power outages. As the snow tapers off southward, we'll still see some linger into Sunday morning here around New England, and the winds will still be with us. So look for widespread power outages as we have the snow, heavy and wet, weighting down the trees and power lines with the winds